Have you heard of the term Udasi in context of Sikhism? The Udasis of Guru Nanak Dev Ji refer to his long-distance spiritual journeys undertaken to spread the message of oneness or Ik Onkar, humanity and truth. Between roughly 1500 to 1524 Common Era, Guru Nanak Dev Ji travelled thousands of miles on foot. He didn't just visit holy sites, he went where the people were, like markets, remote mountains, and centers of other faiths, to engage in dialogue. The first Udasi was towards east. The main focus of his first Udasi was confronting empty rituals and caste prejudice. The key stops were Sultanpur, Delhi, Kurukshetra, Haridwar, Varanasi, Bihar, Bengal, and Assam. One of the most famous moments from his first Udasi was in Haridwar. In Haridwar, he saw people throwing water towards the east for their ancestors. He began throwing water toward the west. When asked why, he replied that if their water could reach the heaven, his water could certainly reach his thirsty fields in Punjab. His second Udasi was towards south. The main focus of his second Udasi was spreading the knowledge of equality across the Deccan Plateau. The key stops were Rajasthan, Central India, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Sri Lanka. One of the most significant moments of his second Udasi was in Sri Lanka, where he met Raja Shibnab. It is said that the king was so impressed by the Guru's teachings that he established a Dharmshala, which was a precursor to the Gurudwara Sahib situated there. The third Udasi was towards north. The main focus of his third Udasi was discourses with scholars, ascetics, and Buddhists. The key stops were Kashmir, Sumer Parvat or Himalayas, Nepal, and Tibet. This journey involved high altitude travel where he debated with Siddha yogis. He taught them that true liberation isn't found by hiding in caves, but by living truthfully within the society. The fourth Udasi was towards west. Its main focus was visiting the heartland of the Islamic world. The key stops were Multan, Karachi, Mecca, Medina, and Baghdad. One of the most famous incidents happened in Mecca. In Mecca, a Maulana scolded him for sleeping with his feet toward the Kaaba. Guru Nanak Dev Ji calmly asked him to turn his feet in a direction where God does not exist. Now, why were these spiritual travels called Udasis? The term Udasi comes from the word Udasin, which means detachment. For these 24 years, Guru Nanak Dev Ji lived in a state of detachment from his home and family, wandering as a religious mendicant to serve the world. He usually traveled with his companion Bhai Mardana, a Muslim musician who played the rabab while the Guru sang his divine revelations or Shabad.